I put I saddle soaped the seats. You just push that there. I think they fit pretty good. There were some complaints in the let me put this back down. There we go. Now these clip onto here. Something under there. Let's get rid of this bottle. Clean, clean, clean. Okay. Still with me? Good. This clips onto there. So, let's get a couple of clips. Yeah, I should have put those on. I'm excited to make the video here. So now we know. That's why we do one and then the other. So, let's try to get you where the sun is. Okay. Okay. These clips they were talking about. And they got a little break in them, like right here. See? And we want the clips, I think, facing this way. So make sure you don't hit any wires or anything like that. There we go. There's one. There's two. Let's bring two in here. Huh. I think that's it. I think they give you one extra, which is nice. So I think this is all the clippy things that we have to deal with. And so I need two hands to put it on. So bear with me, guys. You gals, people, or watching by yourself. Okay. I think you want to go above all the mechanism and then clip to that big bar. Oh man, no, maybe not the big one. I guess well, it won't fit to the big one. Clip to something in here. Oh yeah, there's a metal crate piece. I'll show you once I get it on there. And you definitely have to put the hooks up to make this work. Oh my goodness, come on. Yeah, this would have been a lot easier outside the vehicle. But you live and learn. That's why we do one thing at a time here and make sure we know what we're doing. Which I barely do right here. It's not something I'm even dealing with upholstery and everything else. There we go. Okay, let me show you what I did here. Okay, first of all, you guys you with me? Good, good. Okay, I hope you can see. So here's the strap. There's the strap. Let me get, you know what? Let me go get a light. Oh, yeah, let me go get my light. I have a special light for this. My wife got a Tesla. She's very happy with it. It's 100% electric car. I'm happy it's made here in the USA. I don't know if you guys can see. I got a special light You get a drink of water. Hey, look at that, USA. Yay, just water. Like I said, it's hotter than you know what out there. Okay, got this light, especially for videos. I was able to get this light at Harbor Freight. Got a magnet on the bottom of it. Works good. Look, for example, look how dark it is in here. See? Oh, yeah, like that. There we go. See? Also, ended up getting this toolbox on sale from Lowe's. This was the display model. But let me show you something real quick. Here's what I like. You can stick the light up there, and look. See? Pretty cool. Anyways, enough goofing around and jibber jabbering. Okay. There's what I wanted to show you. See? See, these are the straps. And I hooked it to that. To those over there. And this one to there. So, just wanted to show you that. Okay. So this seat's pretty much done. Yeah, I did blow off. That looks pretty good. I mean, I know that's finished product. I'm happy with it. I don't know. I'll wipe it down a little bit, but now let's do the headrest. I believe that's what these are, and they buckle. Remember, there's airbags in here. Or a lot of people weren't real happy with this. Now, I'm not sure what that Velcro does. I'm not sure if there's a thing here or what. There's not really an adjustability. It looks like they just clip on. And that's it. And I know some people weren't real thrilled with that. Here we go. Then you zip these. But I'm okay with it. I think that's it. That's the driver's side done. Now let's do the passenger side. We did put the